What's going on, you guys? This is basically the same product as the flashlight Husky, and I got this one. It was right beside the Husky flashlight, and same situation, 500 lumens. Another key thing is lifetime warranty. It's like Craftsman, so make sure you save the receipt just in case it breaks. Yeah, this is good to put on your helmet or put on your head. It has 5 modes. So you got your spotlight, the spot mode, the flood mode, which is the 2 common ones. You got red light, green light, which I never ever used. And you have the red strobe, whatever that is. So for the ones who is enthusiastic about flashlights, it has red strobe. If you're in the high mode, it says 500. So they broke it down in the 6 columns. So this is a little example. So if you're on the high mode, you basically having a runtime of 2 hours. All right. So the least power you use with the light, the longer it lasts in time. So right here, if you're in low, you're going to have 20 hours of runtime if you're in a low mode. Yeah, I tried Sam's Club store brand and they do not last that long. So just a heads up, store brands batteries are trash. So, maybe y'all might have a better experience with that, but not me. You see on my original one, that's what I meant by it could go 180 degrees. All right. Now, the new one that we just got, Husky. That's it. Reason being is it won't, when it comes down, I don't know if y'all can see it too much, but it's being stopped right here. So if you try to pull with your might, you will break your Husky product. So I don't know if that's a make it or break it type of thing, or that's something that y'all not really feeling. But here on the back, it has the modes. All right, so y'all see it right there. All right, you see that? It's a little latch. Let's try to close it. All right, so you press up, pull back, batteries go right in the back. I'm ready to turn the light on. So one click, this should be at the highest brightness, going down in the basement. Ooh, smell like paint. Okay, so I think this is the highest brightness that it is with this light. Let me click it again. Yep, so now we in a lower mode, which I said in my last video with my flashlight, I will probably never use this mode. All right, let's click it again. All right, now we in the red mode. We have green. And then the flashing red mode or strobe. I think that's what they call it. And this mode will be good if you're riding a bike. You can use this on your head so somebody will know that, somebody is riding a bike, or you could turn it around and have it pointed to the back of your head, like, the brake lights, but you could put this on your bicycle. So this is a pretty cool mode to have too. So I just thought about that reason why they will have this red mode. Okay, so that's off. Now we're in the brightest mode. All right, and this is, like I said, 500 lumens for the head strap lights. This is a pretty good deal, $10. Can't beat it. All right, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe.